Okay, so we made it to the trail, and there's like no one here.
There's no one here.
Only us, and then like these two chill dogs.
Yeah.
I think they just roaming around the property.
They're not like stray dogs, but like they don't. There's like no owner nearby.
Yeah. They're just like roaming around.
There's got flies buzzing around them.
Look how chill they are.
Yeah.
So today we're doing, what is it called? Say it.
Mount Barbour via Tenquille Lake.
Yeah, but we're gonna go to Tenquille Lake first and see if like we're like good enough to do Mount Barbour.
Yeah, because it's low-key like pushing like, it's like 16 kilometers, so.
Yeah, one way. Exactly.
All right, we're about an hour and a bit in. We've made some pretty good elevation gain.
I think 5K in.
5 kilometers?
I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure.
So we're about a third of the entire trail. More than halfway to the lake? No, halfway to the lake.
Yeah, halfway to the lake. But
Yeah.
I think there's like way more, it's gonna get way steeper. We've been hiking for like 4 hours and we're like too tired to record.
The whole time we've been eaten alive by freaking flies, bro.
Yeah, it's brutal. It's brutal. But we're at a creek right now. Oh my goodness, finally. I think we made it to the hut. It's about time. We could have skipped out on 600 meters elevation gain if we drove to like, what were they saying?
They said branch 12.
Branch 12, yeah.
I don't know where that is.
So we didn't know that, so we just did like, we just made the hike like 2 times harder. Oh well, we made it though. Okay, so we got some good news and we got some bad news. What do you guys want to hear first?
Good news.
So good news is, I don't know, the mosquitoes just like went away for some reason. But bad news, it's a little rainy. We still wanna get in between, like, what is it called? The valley in between
what it's called.
Mount Barbour. Oh no, Barbour and Gingerbread Peak. That's about like 6 kilometers away, I believe.
Let's try to stay dry.
Yeah, let's get going.
So the rain has been kind of on and off. We made it about halfway around the lake. We're gonna keep the raincoats on though, even though rain kind of died down a bit.
Okay, so we're kind of in the valley between,
This is Gingerbread Mountain, and this is Barbour Mountain, and the close
That one's
peak
Barbour Mountain.
is Dora.
That one's Dora, yeah.
So our original plan was to kind of camp in the valley here somewhere. What I'm kind of thinking is we go up Dora and try and find a spot to camp up there, and in the morning we head up.
Okay, so Dom actually got it wrong. Over there is Gingerbread, and that's Barbara. So Barbara's looking kind of pointy. So like we might just do Gingerbread. Like we might do Gingerbread tonight. We'll see how everything goes. But yeah, we'll decide when we get to the split in the trail. Oh wow. The views. The views, it's crazy.
So good.
Okay, so we're gonna set up just our sleeping pads and just sleep with nothing and sleep under the stars. So it's gonna be fire. There's a little pepperoni on the bottom.
Lucky. Stag. I got on my foot. One bean.
Yo, don't let it burn.
Nice warm. Easy to cook. 26 grams of protein. Cheap. Beans and minced meat.
First time trying this stag chili. Wish me
Really?
luck. Yeah, I've never had it.
Cause I took it with me on a House on Crest trail. You didn't try it?
Nah, I did not try it, bro. First bites for you guys. It's alright. It's like chili.
It's good, bro.
It's chili.
It's Our original plan was to set up our sleeping situation without a tent, just like under the stars, but it started raining, so we frantically set up this tent and put the rain tarp on. After that stag, Kaysen's been gassing up the tent. It smells like pretty.
Okay, so it's 12 at night. The wind's starting to pick up here, and we're all nice and snug in our tent. Even if it rains, we're gonna be chilling. All right, good night.
Right.
Good morning. It's 5 o'clock now, and we're just gonna pack away our tent. Okay, we're just about ready to head up to Mount Barbour, and the clouds are chasing after us now. I don't know if you can see, but they're coming up here pretty quickly.
Alright, Kaysen and I just finished packing up everything. Tent site's completely clean. Still in the clouds, but hoping it clears up there and reveals a really nice view.
Oh my, you really can't see nothing up here. Pizza break.
They got zero survival instinct. Look, they're just hoping they don't get touched. I'll touch you, bro. You don't know.
Alright, let's leave him alone. So sunny. Oh wow. We're at like a semi-peak.
You don't want to go on the snow here, because on the other side of this little mound, it just drops all the way down into the valley.
Alright, so we ditched the bags and the poles, and I just have my day pack, and we're gonna scramble to the top. So we're almost at the top. Just a little more scrambling to do, and we're there.
Yeah.
Oh, good stuff. No, it's a pickaxe. It's a pickaxe. It's crazy.
It's the highest point.
Now, Dominic's happy because he got a bar. Right, Dom?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can text my girlfriend.
Does data work?
Yep.
Data works? That's fire.
Is it not working for you?
Bro, I don't have data.
Oh.
Why is Cliff Bar so hard, Dom?
Hard?
Yeah, it's like a jaw workout. Ooh,
W pull.
this is W pull, bro. Two
M&Ms,
two
bro.
peanut and two peanut M&Ms. So over the last 24 hours, we've gained 2,356 meters of elevation. Not bad, eh?
Not bad.
It's all right.
Respectable.
Let me get in there. Let's see what I got. Oh, floor loot.
Floor loop, bro.
Floor
Let me
loot.
get some.
See what you got.
I got one M&M.
Not bad. We're gonna start heading down now. Right, Dom?
Yeah.
Start heading down now.
Jason said it's getting cloudy.
Yeah.
Can't tell.
There's like nothing much to see because like we're just like in the clouds now, and it's kind of getting cold, and like our backpacks are probably soaked, so we're just gonna start heading down. We're in like the middle of a cloud and it is so damp. It's like we're in like getting like constantly sprayed by mist. Alright, we're at the lake now. Made it to the cabin. Let me in. Hi there.
Hey. Is that just for me or what?
Thanks. Wait.
Jason just tanked us up fresh water. We're gonna fill up all our water bottles and filter the water. I'm just finishing my tea. I'll probably wash up all these dishes we've used, clean the cabin back up, and then we'll probably head out, right?
Yeah. Done with the cabin, we all cleaned up. And it's 1:27 right now. Let's see how long it takes to get back to the car. So we got like 10 kilometers to go,
Yeah.
but all downhill, so it shouldn't be that bad.
Yeah. Let's go.
We've hiked 3 kilometers in 30 minutes, which is a major difference from yesterday.
Mm-hmm. All right, so where that super far mountain in the distance is, and then the ridge of this close mountain, that's where we were just a few hours ago. Not even really, like basically an hour ago. And then we went up basically along the ridge of this whole mountain, and then basically where it flattens out, a couple kilometers over there, it loops around and brought us over here. We should be back at the car in like 10 minutes.
Yo, we finally made it back to the car. Oh, it's about time. 3:29, so it took us 2 hours to do 10K down. But we were like sprinting and my knees are dying.
My feet are dead.